Algebraic terms. Consider an algebraic expression 3x plus 4y. Here 3x and 4y are joined by mathematical operator plus. Consider one more algebraic expression 4z minus 5. In this expression, 4z and 5 are joined by operator minus. Here 3x is one term, 4y is one term, 4z and 5 are terms. So, according to this, the parts of an algebraic expression which are either joined by plus or minus sign are called algebraic terms or simply terms. 3x, 4y, 4z and 5 are called algebraic terms or simply terms. So, algebraic term, it can be a number or a variable or a combination of number and variable. In term 3x, three is the numerical coefficient of x. In term 4y, 4 is the numerical coefficient of variable y. Similarly, if we consider minus 12xyz term, in this term minus 12y is the numerical coefficient of xz. Similarly, minus 12z is the numerical coefficient of yx. Operations on algebraic terms. Just like numbers, operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on algebraic terms. First, let us do addition of algebraic terms. Consider algebraic term 3x and 5x. In both the cases, variable is x. In this case, numerical coefficients of both the terms are added. That is 3x plus 5x is equal to numerical coefficient of 3x is 3 and numerical coefficient of 5x is 5. Both are added and the variable remains the same. That is equal to 8x. Let us consider one more example. Add 5x and 7y. Here in the term 5x, x is the variable and in the term 7y, y is the variable. Variables are different in both the terms. In this case, the numerical coefficients cannot be added. The algebraic expression will be 5x plus 7y. Consider one more example. Nine x plus y plus 3x. Numerical coefficients of 9x and 3x are added. That is 9 plus 3 times the variable plus y. That is equal to 12x plus y. Subtraction on algebraic terms. Consider algebraic terms 5x and 3x. Here the variables are same in both the terms. So the numerical coefficients of both the terms can be subtracted. That is equal to 2x. Let us consider one more example. 7x minus 4y. In this case, variables are not same. So, we cannot subtract the coefficients. It is written as it is. Multiplication on algebraic terms. Consider variables x and y. X and y. Product of x and y is equal to x into y. It is written as xy. One more example. Let us consider terms 3x and 4y. Numerical coefficients of both the terms are multiplied and the variables are multiplied. That is equal to 12xy. Power of a variable. Consider an example. Consider a variable x multiplied by the same variable x gives x to the power 2. Here x is multiplied by itself. Then the product is written in exponential form. 2 is called the exponent or power of x. Here 2 denotes the number of times the variable is multiplied. Consider one more example. Y into y into y into y is written as y to the power 4. Y is called the base and 4 is the power. Here y to the power 4 is called y raised to the power 4. Let us consider an example. 3a square b into 3b cube a. Here the numerical coefficients 3 and 3 are multiplied and a square, a into b into b cube, b into b into b into a, that is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 into a into a into a, that is a to the power 3, b into b into b into b, b to the power 4. This can be written as 9a cube b to the power 4. Here 3 is the power of a, 4 is the power of b, and 9 is the coefficient of a cube b to the power 4. Division. When a variable, suppose x, is divided by a constant, suppose 5, then a fraction is formed. Similarly, if a variable x is divided by another variable y, fraction is formed. If variables are same, that is, suppose x, y divided by x, that is equal to x into y by x. Here variable x is common in both numerator and denominator. So x in the numerator and x in the denominator gets cancelled and the result will be y. If the variables are same, then it can be simplified. Consider an example. 36 x, y, z divided by 9 x, y. This can be written as 36 into x into y into z by 9 into x into y. Here the constants are divided. 9 divides 1 time, 9 divides 4 times. Variable in the numerator x and variable in the denominator x gets cancelled, and y is common in both numerator and denominator, and y gets cancelled. 4 into z, that is equal to 4z. Consider one more example. 64 a cube b c divided by 4 a b. This can be written as 64 into a into a into a into b into c divided by 4 into a into b. 4 1 time, 4 16 times. Variable a and a gets cancelled, variable b and b gets cancelled. Remaining 16 into a into c, that is equal to 16 a to the power 2 c.